Okay, so I just checked the tuning. Of course it was a bit off because it traveled 5 days via UPS. And I will now turn on the amp and hear for the first time how this beast sounds. Well, it's definitely different than my other guitar, so I have to set the amp up. But in terms of playing, I mean, I think the amp has too many highs or something, or too much presence. But in terms of playing, the neck feels just awesome. The action is extremely low, which I like quite a lot. It's really I think they really did nail this quality thing that they were talking about. I don't feel any rough edges on around the neck. So I did find a setting that I like. I actually think that it may be that these pickups are a bit lower output than on my other one, and so I needed to increase the gain a bit and start again from 12 o'clock, but I really dig this sound. Sounds awesome. Okay, let's try the guitar clean. Cool. Okay, considering that we have a 7-string guitar with a B string, why don't we go even lower and tune it to drop A? It's really smooth to play and the finish feels great. Okay, I messed it up. But nevertheless, it sounds great. I noticed, by the way, that the volume control is not really clean, so you can actually, if you put it on clean, you can hear it scratching a bit, but I think I can live through that. Well, I hope that this video has been at least of some use to you. Oh, by the way, the intonation is quite okay. It's not perfect in the high frets, but it's less than 3% or 3 to 4%. For those that can hear this, then it's a problem. But I hope that this is at least somewhat helpful to you, and if you would like to see more of this guitar, maybe you can write down in the comments and I can make another video. Thank you very much, and sorry, but I have to take care of her.